Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve these passion twists using the rubber band method, please continue watching my video. Thank you. The things I use to achieve this style is the melanin hair care products, which is the leave-in, the oil, and the twisting cream. I use Aunt Jackie's ice curls. I use tea tree oil, Do Grow anti-itch oil, some clips, a red tail comb, brush, some rubber bands, a latch hook, and some passion twist hair. I will leave the link for the passion twist hair in the description box. I bought it off Amazon. I did the sectioning off my hair off camera, so I didn't record that part, but it's pre-sectioned and everything. I rubber banded. I actually moisturized my hair off camera too, but I re-moisturized it during some of the videos. Here I'm just applying some of the Aunt Jackie's near the root to smooth the hair down. And then next you'll see me take 2 strands of hair and split it. I'm trying to puff out the hair. I don't want the curls to be so tight, so I puff out the hair a bit. And then after that I just do the normal crochet underneath the rubber bands and pull it through. I only pull one side through because I don't want the actual knot, so I just pull one side through. And what I do to cover up my rubber bands, I twist one strand around the actual rubber band and then just continue twisting the rest of the way down. I would also like to point out I do pull my hair sometimes, and some of it when I feel the rubber band is just too loose, so I pull to get the hair a little bit tighter towards my roots. But other than that, I don't really, a lot of them I did not pull to get it closer because my rubber bands was already kind of tight, so I didn't want it any tighter. Not trying to ruin, a girl's not trying to ruin their hair, no. This is one of the easiest hairstyles I've done, which is because one, you don't have to burn or dip the ends. All you gotta do is twist it like it's your normal hair and let it go. You don't even have to, at the end, you don't have to do that little finger coil that you do at the end of your hair to keep it from unwinding, because it just automatically locks itself up there. So I didn't have to do any type of twisting at the end. I twisted it all the way down to the end, but I didn't have to do the little twirling thing you'll see me do in a minute. I only did that because I thought I had to, and then after a while I stopped and it just stays no problem. And hey, I like this hair because of that. It's one of the easier ways. I say this hairstyle took me about, I say probably 6 hours altogether, maybe a little more, because I was doing other things and I was listening to Lizzo. So you know, my spirit animal, I mean my spirit person, she's my inner self. But I was listening to music, so it took me a little bit longer because I was jamming out. Right here you see I stopped and started looking at my twist because when I watched other people do it, they said it's a certain way you need to twist your hair. It's like a direction that you need to twist your hair so it looks a certain way. My hands don't let me go the other way, so my twist would have came out looking horrible if I went the other way. So I think it looks fine either way you go. If you look at one side of my hair is a little bit fluffier which I think is the ones that twisted the right direction, but it still worked out. Plus more, the ones that was twisted the opposite direction ended up fluffing out anyway, so it still look, they all look the same now. So I think it doesn't matter really which direction you twist it in. Here's the final product, y'all. Y'all, how about I didn't realize my hair was two different colors until I was editing this video. Yes, two different colors. So it's supposed to all been T30, which is what I ordered. The first bag I used, which is the main color that's in my hair, came marked as T30, which I thought was a little off, but I just went with it anyway. So I ran out of hair in the midst of doing my hairstyle, and I had to order another bag, which came in the right color, and I didn't pay it no attention in the package because half of the package looked like it had some of that orange color in it. So I thought it was all the same. I did the whole soaking my hair and all that stuff. So when me looking at this video now, I see that it's two different colors, but it's not very noticeable in person. So I'm gonna just deal with it. I'm gonna live with it and be alright. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love